Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing swatches on the Morphe 9B Bronzed Babe palette that is exclusive to Ulta. The palette retails for $12 and it has 9 eyeshadows. The packaging of the palette is a matte black packaging with a snap closure, and it also includes a mirror. And also the names of the eyeshadows are printed on the palette. This is a complete warm palette with a mixture of bronze, browns, and soft brick shades, perfect for everyday use. It's a very compact eyeshadow palette, perfect for traveling. I wanted to add a clip where it shows the 3 palettes that are exclusive to Ulta, and all of these are available now, and they each retail for $12. In the palette you get a total of 5 mattes, and the rest are shimmery shades. I didn't have any issues with the pigmentation or chalkiness. I did notice that the mattes in this palette are extra creamy. Overall, the palette is good, especially for the price. Also, you could use Ulta coupons since Morphe isn't a prestige brand. So let me know what you guys think about this palette. Are you guys planning on getting it? And I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.